Well, today we're looking at the Rick and Morty Monopoly set. So I bought this one for my wife's birthday the other day, and she said I kindly said I could open it in a video and see what we get. So you get quite a nice illustrated box. Poor Morty, gonna get eaten again. And then you get some figure pieces. I think those are like the hotel and house. Quite a nice board. And quite a bit on there, so let's open the cellophane. Let's see what we get. So, objects fell on the floor, so you get a catalogue of other games, top trumps and splash from the past. You get the Monopoly instruction sheet that no one ever reads, and everyone plays slightly different rules and then argues about it incessantly. It's quite nice. Rick and Morty edition. And you get your money. It's just a label. So we'll open them in a second. Then you get your cards, mortgage cards, etc. It's one of these three-way fold-out boards, which seem to be all the rage now. So, out of room. So, the right way around. So it's quite a very nice, colourful board. So where's start? There, go. So it's all Rick and Morty themed. Parasites. Get shrifty. Everyone should get shrifty. Same jail symbol. It's interesting. Didn't bother changing that. So it's a nice board. I like that. Nice that there's an actual board as well. A lot of games these days you don't get the like hardboard boards in it anymore. So we've got. You can see that. So these are the hotels and the houses. And we've got the pen pieces. Let me get these out and then we'll come straight back. Okay, so you get the little like perpetual motion machine. Some little alien dude. Mr. Meeseeks box. With a portal gun, like that. You get Rick's car. Not sure what that is. And a helmet. Isn't that what the dog or the cat wore? So money wise, the one whatever denomination, whatever currency it is, note is jury. And 5. Third man on the 10. Boot guy. Morty on the 100s. And Rick on the 500s. And then get shrifty cards, so they're like a chance. Advancing those transfers, so very similar. And then you get all your community chest, or I mean, maybe chance, and then your various properties. So a really nicely produced set. We have a game of this afternoon. But yeah, that's a nice set. I hope I liked it, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.